Hey there everyone, today I'm showing you a recipe called lemonade cookies. This recipe is from 1978 and I wanted to try it out because I saw the recipe in one of my vintage cookbooks and it's heating up for summer and I thought, well, this might be a pretty refreshing cookie to try out. Just to let you guys know, I always post the recipes at the end of the video and also down below in the description. And for the video, I halved the recipe because the recipe makes quite a few cookies and I didn't need that many. So that's why the recipe might look a little off and not match up with the recipe you see at the end. So let's actually get down to the nitty-gritty of these cookies. Making them pretty easy. It's your standard cookie recipe. You are going to need lemonade concentrate, which you might not be familiar with. Lemonade concentrate is pretty much just lemonade and sugar, and you add water to it and dilute it and turns it into lemonade. You buy it in your frozen food section, and for this recipe you need to let it thaw so it turns kind of into a really thick, almost syrupy liquid. You're going to use some in the cookie batter, and also at the end you're going to add it on top and sprinkle with sugar. One thing about this recipe, I never really know how recipes are going to turn out when I start making them, which really makes my channel, at least to me, really fun. Because sometimes I test a recipe and it might be a dud or it might be really delicious and I never would have tried it without making the recipe for my channel. But with this cookie recipe, I was really expecting some refreshing lemon flavor and I kind of didn't get that. I got a little hint of lemon from the syrup that goes on at the end, and it just kind of is like a little bit of tanginess. But not much lemon flavor as I was expecting. I feel like if you wanted to follow this recipe but get that lemon payoff, just add a little bit of lemon zest to the sugar at the end, and I feel like that would give you that brightness that it needs. In no way, shape, or form does that mean that this cookie was bad. It was actually a really delicious, buttery tasting cookie, and the texture was really delicate, and it was overall a really great cookie. But that's today's recipe. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know down below. And like this video if you enjoyed it today. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss these videos in the future. And hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted when I put out a new video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery.